Hey Shannon, I'm just reading through your email and want to make sure I explain everything to you. Alright, so the first thing, I had a charge in there for $500 for cutting down a couple small trees and removing all those little stumps. Alright, so what I did is I credited you $250 because, to be honest, the majority of the work is actually removing the stumps. So I actually have to go pay to get rid of those as well. And there's more stumps, than, to be honest with you, than I really thought was going to be in there, but I'm not going to raise the price. But what I did do is I separated the tree works. The tree work, I cut it in half. I said removing the trees was $250, and I said removing the stumps was $250. So now I'm only charging you $250 total for that work. All right, and then the other company can do the tree removal as part of their work. Okay, and again, we can't remove any big stumps. So just to make sure you understand that. That's why I put a size restriction on that. All right, most of the stumps in there, I don't think are going to be an issue though. Most of them are really small. Okay, but there's quite a few of them. So then as we go down through here, your next question was, let's see here. The excavator is not necessarily a number of hours for this area. Utilize the excavator, level the lawn. That's just what it's going to take to do the project. So you did mention that there's some stumps back there, and yes, we'll remove the stumps as long as, again, they're not huge stumps that we can't remove with the excavator. So, or if the stump is located very close to the root system of a large tree that's very healthy, we can't excavate the stump because then we'll kill the tree when we try to rip up the stump. So, but yes, we will properly prepare that area for lawn so there's no stumps in the lawn. Okay. Let's see here, your next question. Option 1 for the front of the house, that makes sense. That's the Astilbe and the Hosta. Along the back side, that 50 linear feet along the back, that's more shady. The hydrangeas are not going to work in there. So we talked about using the hydrangeas along the 90 to 100 feet, which is like the back right side of your property. That's like from like the corner of your house to the tree that's in the video. Those are all hydrangeas, right? But from the tree stretching along the back that's blocking the neighbor's lawn, that we talked about using the viburnum because those will eventually grow taller and they typically will keep their leaves on during the winter. This year, like I said, the leaves are smaller than normal just because how cold it was last winter. But that's the suggestion I have in the viburnum pergens. 6 of those, that's what I have in there for that cost. So let me know what you want to do with that. Okay. So that's that. Cool. So I think that's it. So I'm gonna email this over to you, and then you can let me know your thoughts. Timing wise, I mean, definitely I'd say the last 2 weeks of September. I don't want to give you a week window because weather, and then if we're already doing another project, I can't leave that project until we're done. But definitely with appropriate timing to make sure the lawn germinates, we could do it. I think you said you're going to be gone like the 10th through the 17th. So maybe if you could just email me also, just let me know when you're going to be gone, what dates you're going to be gone in September. That would be awesome. Then we could kind of plan around that because I would like you to be home when we're doing the work. So that's it. We'll chat soon. Thanks again for the opportunity.